8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Good day everyone and welcome back to Katek Tech YouTube channel. Let's have some fun and learn something while watching our videos. Kindly subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, like and share our videos. Alright, let's the fun begin!
Pasta, pasta, pasta everywhere. Pasta, pasta, pasta you can share. There's spaghetti, ravioli, fettuccine or bottai. Pasta everywhere, it's up to you, which do you like? We'll make yummy pasta a la Playmates with pasta noodles. Pasta, pasta, pasta everywhere. Pasta, pasta, pasta you can share. There's olive oil, marinara, pesto or Alfredo white. Pasta everywhere, it's up to you, which do you like? Hey, yummy pasta a la Playmates with lots of sauce. You choose marinara or Alfredo, it's up to you. I choose spaghetti sauce. There's tomatoes or bell peppers, olive chopped, onion diced. Pasta everywhere, it's up to you, which do you like? Pasta, pasta, pasta everywhere. Pasta, pasta, pasta you can share. Tomato sauce with ground beef on our noodles called spaghetti. Pasta everywhere, we made it just the way we like. Molto buono!